Welcome to this 10-minute low-impact Pilates workout to tone your whole body. Let's start with a warm-up. We're going to start our main workout with climber pulses. We are going to be in a plank position. With our right leg first, we're going to pulse that knee in, drawing in and engaging our core as we go. After 30 seconds, we're going to switch to the other side. Let's do a combo move here where we reach that right leg back to do a curtsy lunge and then come up into a side crunch. Curtsy lunge, drawing in that core as we crunch. We're going to keep this going, getting ready to do this on the other side.
Is this the void I'm searching for? The great inside behind the door. Is this the void I'm searching for? The great inside I'm looking for behind the door.
We're going to be on our hands and knees here, drawing in that knee and then extending that leg. Drawing in the knee, extending the leg, remembering to engage our core as we go. After 30 seconds, get ready for the switch.
Behind the door. Is this the void I'm searching for? The great inside I'm looking for behind the door.
Let's stay on all fours for this move. We're going to extend that leg and pulse it up and down for 30 seconds, squeezing those glutes. And then we're going to switch to the left side. We're going to do an overhead reverse lunge here, bringing that right leg back into a lunge position. As we lunge, lifting those arms up. We're going to do this with control, having a nice pace. And then after 30 seconds, we're going to switch to the other side. We're going to keep this overhead move, but we're going to add a squat to it, taking our time as we squat and go through this move. After 30 seconds, we're going to add a plank to squat move. Get ready for the switch. Let's get into a plank position here, and we're just going to lift one leg up and we're going to hold it. You're definitely going to feel this in your glutes. Mine were on fire by the end, but that means we're making gains. After 30 seconds, we're going to lift the other leg. We're going to get into a side plank position here. You can stack those toes or you can put one in front of the other, and we're going to alternate lifting and lowering those hips with control, engaging that core. After 30 seconds, we're going to switch to the other side. Yes, y'all, we did it. Awesome job. Repeat this low impact Pilates workout 3 to 4 times a week or make it a part of your daily routine to tone your whole body, boost energy, and stay fit. Mood for another workout? Well, I got you covered. I have an amazing option below to keep the workout going. Please, please, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any future workouts. Thanks so much for working out with me today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.